The PMT function is one of the more helpful financial functions in Excel. You can use the PMT function to calculate the payment amount for a loan based on an interest rate and a constant payment schedule. So let's take a quick look at how to use the payment function in Excel. Here we have the details of a $25,000 loan with an annual interest rate of 6%. The payments are made monthly, or 12 times per year, for 4 years. Let's use the PMT function to calculate the monthly payment for this loan. We'll begin by entering the PMT command. As you can see, the PMT function takes a number of parameters. The first parameter is the interest rate for the loan. This isn't necessarily the annual percentage rate, but rather the interest rate applied for each payment. Since we are going to make 12 payments per year, we will take the 6% interest rate in cell B3 and divide by the number of payments per year in cell B4. The second parameter is the number of payments for the loan. This is the total number of payments, which is calculated as the number of payments per year in cell B4, multiplied by the number of years in cell B5. The third parameter is the present value, or the loan principal, which is the $25,000 loan amount found in cell B2. The last two parameters are optional and won't be covered today. Now let's see what our PMT function returns. You should see the value negative $587.13 appear in cell D2. This means that the monthly loan payment amount for this $25,000 loan will be $587.13. This completes our example of how to use the Excel PMT function. If you would like to see more examples, please visit our website at techonthenet.com. If you found our tutorial helpful, please leave a like on this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great Excel tutorials.